welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute since I have done a vlog type of video on my channel. And I figured this would be a great week to do a week in the life or a couple days in the life as a real estate agent, wife, dog mom, all the things. We have some days that are going to be super busy and some days that are more chill, so it'll kind of give you a good idea of a typical week in my life. So today is Monday, and typically Mondays are more of a chill day or an off day just because it's a real estate agent. As you can imagine, I do work most weekends, but today we just have a couple of things to do for real estate, and then the rest of the afternoon I'm going to kind of take to clean my house, get it ready because I am having some friends over to watch The Bachelorette tonight. But before that, we do need to head over to my listing to meet a pool contractor out there to turn on all the pool equipment so they can service the pool. My sellers no longer live in this home, so it's kind of my responsibility to make sure everything is fine. And then we get to do one of my favorite parts of my job. Oh, hey, bud. You say hi? You say hi? You're just the cutest boy. You want to be in a video too? Okay. So back to what I was saying is I get to do one of my favorite parts of my job today, which is go over to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, all those stores, and pick out some closing gifts for some closings that we have this week. So I am about to head out and I'll take you along with. Back home from all the errands, and I ended up only having to go to TJ Maxx because I hit the jackpot and pretty much got everything I needed. So I decided not to go to Marshalls or Home Goods since TJ Maxx just had it all today. So let me give you a little haul. So what I ended up doing is I have 2 closings this week and I have one in about a month or so. So I just went ahead and started buying stuff for that closing gift while I was just in the mood and already there. So some of these things I got double of and kind of just mixed and matched. So I'm only going to show you one of each thing that I got. So this is pasta straight from Italy, which is way better for you than all the things we can find here. But that looks super yummy. So I got 2 of those. And then I'm pairing the pastas with this olive oil that I got from there. So this is always a staple. And I got a cutie little plant because I always put a little bit of greenery in my baskets. So the closing that I have in a month or so, I'm going to be doing more of like a Florida theme because they're moving from Michigan. So this is a big move for them to warmer weather. The other closings that I have this week, one person has already lived in Jacksonville before and is just moving back. And then the other family is moving from Georgia, which is exciting, but they don't have that different of seasons and weather. So I'm just kind of doing a more standard gift basket versus the one moving from Michigan. So for that family, I got this super cute cutting board, the shape of a fish, and has blue throughout, and just honestly is such good quality. So got that for that family. Oh my gosh, you guys. And then I got this candle. Seriously, it is probably one of my favorite candles now. It is Golden Cypress Suede. You can see the label right there. I got one for myself and then I got 2 for the closing gifts, but I'm about to burn this right now. And then for the family where I'm doing like the Florida theme, I got these really pretty coasters that look coastal and like water. And I got a bunch of sets of dish towels. There's another one somewhere, but I went with different blues for each of them. So I got dish towels for all 3 buyers. And then these are for me. These are just like cleaning cloths that I needed more of. And then I also got Mr. Maverick some new toys because he has learned, he's right here, he has learned how to chew up his toys. And now we're getting low on his toy basket. So I have 3 toys right over here for him, but I'm not gonna pull them out because otherwise he will want all of them right now. But yeah, that is the haul for all of the closing baskets. I'm so excited. This is truthfully my favorite part. It's just kind of like knowing each family. I already had some other gifts too that I purchased before today. For one of them, I got a customized doormat, so I'm not going to show it on here just so their last name isn't out there, but I'll be wrapping that. And then I also, for my Florida relocation family, I got them beach towels that have St. John's, Florida stitched in them, which is so cute. So they have new beach towels and pool towels to go ahead, and they're all set up for the summer. All right, so now it is time to put these bad boys together, and honestly it looks like it's gonna rain, so I'm gonna take Maddie out, put some comfy clothes on, and we will get to making these closing baskets and probably start cleaning the house too. So here's my little helper. Say hi, Mav. Anyways, the closing gift baskets turned out so cute. This is my one for the more Florida basket, and look how cute these towels are. There's two of them. One's down here, but it says St. John's, Florida on them. Super cute. And then these two closing baskets, and then my doormats. Alrighty, now for the next little bit here, I am going to get some computer work done. I have to get things sent over for these closings, and then also work on my weekly email that I send out on Wednesdays. So I'm gonna work on that a little bit, clean up the house, and get ready for the bachelorette. Good morning. It is the next day, and I just pulled up to my first appointment of the day. This is my super busy day this week. So first off is a blue tape walkthrough and new homeowner orientation. So this is usually done about a week or two before a new construction home closes. This is when we make our punch list, we go over our inspection report, and the builder will kind of walk the homeowner through all the systems of the house, like how to maintain the HVAC, how the sprinkler system works, all that good stuff. So that is what I am about to go do with one of my buyers. And then I am going to head over to another part of town over in Nocatee for a final walkthrough and a closing. So final walkthrough is whenever we make sure that everything from the blue tape walkthrough was completed and that the house is good to close on, and then head to the closing. I'm not exactly sure how much I'll be able to film. I don't like to film like in front of any of my clients or anything like that, but I will do my best to bring you guys along. morning. It is the next day. I ended up not vlogging that much just because like when I'm in walkthroughs and when I'm in closings, I'm not videoing my buyers. But the walkthrough for my buyers that we ended off with yesterday went pretty well. There were a couple of things that needed to be fixed, like of course minor things like paint and drywall, but then there were some like loose floorboards on the second story that like literally when you stepped in one part, like the other part moved. So that was slightly concerning, and that is being fixed, of course. But everything else was very minor and was done well. And then my closing yesterday went well. That builder completed everything that they needed to before closing, which is lovely because usually there's a couple things that need to still be done after closing that builders will still be responsible for. So it's always nice whenever everything is pretty much done. So this morning I got ready and just pulled up to the closing that I have today. So it should be a quick one. This one's a cash buyer, so there's only like a paper stack that's like this big versus like this big that they have to sign. So should be a quick closing. And then today I have an appointment at the bank, and then I'm going to a concert tonight with my mom, my mother-in-law, and then she's like my sister, but she's not my sister. So I'm super excited. We've had lots of girls' nights this week, which honestly is not typical, but I'm here for it. Alrighty, so I am home just for a short 30 minutes. I'm gonna send a couple emails, make a quick lunch, and then I'm gonna head to the bank. So pretty much at the bank, I just have to go show them that I changed my LLC name, because when I was depositing my check from my closing the other day, they were giving me a hard time because my debit card for my business account said like Ella Galbraith and then Ella Woods LLC, but I have changed my LLC to Ella Galbraith LLC, and that's what the check was made out to. And they were giving me a hard time. So anyways, I have to like bring them the documents to prove that I changed my LLC name. So that should be the last of all the name changes. It's been over a year now, and it really wasn't that hard, but the real estate part of it was hard. But just as like being a normal wife that's not like a business owner, wasn't that difficult at all to change my name. But anyways, I have to go do that. Then when I get back, I'm just gonna make sure there's no more emails I need to send out, maybe do a load of laundry, and then I'm gonna start getting ready for the concert. So I need to pick out my outfit. I have like 2 in mind, what I wanna wear. So I'm gonna try them on and see. It just like it's gonna come down to what looks best with my boots, because I have to wear boots to a country concert. But yeah, I'm going to see Sam Hunt. I don't think I mentioned that. So I'm excited. And Russell Dickerson is opening, which honestly, I might even be more excited to see him than Sam Hunt. So anyways, it'll be a fun rest of the day, and I'll catch y'all in a little bit. So I am back home, obviously with my Mavy boy. So I'm just gonna snuggle his face a little bit. Yeah. And catch up on some emails and just chill, maybe even watch a TV show. And what are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Okay, so I am getting ready for the concert, and I am trying on my outfit options. I really want to wear this top, and I really want to wear it with a long skirt. The problem is I don't have a long skirt, so I have tucked in this dress that I have and in on itself, and I'd have to fix it because you can kind of see some of the lines, which I will fix. But this is outfit number 1. So we have the jean top, this skirt, and then I have these short little cream boots to match with like the cream skirt. So outfit 1. Okay, next option is still with the same jean top, but I have some white shorts on, and then I changed into higher boots. So this is outfit number 2. Okay, and this is outfit number 3. I have a little white dress on, and then still with like the knee-high boots. I kind of feel like it's too much white, and it's kind of raining out, so I would be a little bit concerned. And a white dress, but I think I might go with the shorts outfit. Honestly, that one kind of surprised me. That way there's no like wardrobe malfunctions with that outfit, and I can wear the jean top that I want. Alrighty, so this is the final outfit for the concert. I think it turned out pretty cute, just like my little Mavy boy. Alrighty, you guys, that wraps it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed the vlog type video this time. I'm actually about to go film a video on Trailmark, which is the community here in St. Augustine, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.